Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am going to share this like a mayonnaise recipe that I saw online. I'm using this from Trader Joe's, so it's unsweetened, it's plain. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use some herbs from my garden. This is chives, green scallions, and some basil, and one garlic. This is not from the garden. I'm gonna use some nutritional yeast for flavor, some of that for flavor, and some pepper, and a little bit of salt. Okay, I am also going to use half of it. I'm gonna use this. You know, the way it's looking doesn't bother me, so I'm still gonna add it. So let's begin. I'm using this Ninja portable blender that I got as a gift. I'm still trying to figure it out, so bear with me. Add the mayonnaise first. Grabbing a spoon. I already started using it. I use this to make overnight chia seed pudding. It makes it nice and creamy and delicious. So I have a big, I'm gonna try it with like 2 tablespoons. You can see. I'm gonna just leave a little bit for some more chia seed pudding. I'm not gonna add any liquid to this. So I'm adding the herbs, the garlic. This is my first time making it, so it'll come out good. Just come out the down part. Okay, some pepper. A little bit of this seasoning. Just a little bit. And I'm going to use a small spoon for the nutritional yeast. Just like a big spoon, like this. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, like a pinch or so. Like a pinch. I'm not trying to make it salty. Let's cover this bad boy. Very good. Let's turn it on. But flashing means something, I think. Oh my gosh, what is happening? This video. This is what it's looking like. The consistency is what I was looking for. Like, look at it. It's so, let's try it. Let's try it. So nice and creamy. Let's give it a taste. It's really, really good. I think it's missing something. I think I should have added a piece of lemon. I'm gonna do that now. I added a little bit of lemon juice, and then I blend it again. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty inside. Oh wow, it's so nice. So let me try it inside the pita bread. That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh my god, this is so good. So this is completely vegan, because the yogurt is coconut, avocado. It's just completely vegan. It's so good and delicious. So I have some salmon here, because I do use salmon. So I'm gonna add this inside. This is so good. This is so delicious. Definitely we'll be making this again. Yes. OMG, this is so good. I love it. Let's add my salmon. I love salmon. That's why I can't go vegan, because I can't give up the salmon. But one day, we shall overcome. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy the vegan, homemade vegan mayonnaise. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I thank you for watching. Let me go enjoy my meal. Thank you.